In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp to Basecamp. We'll be using Zapier as the bridge between the two tools, so by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have both apps connected and ready for automation. I'll move slowly and explain what you're seeing along the way so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Basecamp account and your Zapier account in your browser. Start by opening your Basecamp homepage in a tab. This isn't where we'll set up the integration, but it's helpful to have Basecamp open and ready so you can quickly confirm that the right account is connected when Zapier asks for access. Now switch over to Zapier. When you sign into Zapier, you'll usually land on the homepage by default. From here, look for the section or menu option labeled App Connections. This is where Zapier manages all the apps that are linked to your account, and it's exactly where we need to go to connect Basecamp and ClickUp. Click on App Connections. On this page, you'll see a list of apps you've already connected, or it might be empty if this is your first time using Zapier. Look for a button that says Add Connection. Go ahead and click that. Zapier will open a panel or window where you can search for the app you want to connect. In the search bar, start typing Basecamp. When Basecamp appears in the results, click on it. If you see Basecamp listed more than once, simply choose the standard Basecamp option shown in the Zapier interface. After selecting it, click Add Connection to begin the authorization process. Zapier will now redirect you to a Basecamp authorization page. This is where Basecamp asks if you want to allow Zapier to access your account. Double-check that you're signed into the correct Basecamp workspace, then click Yes, I'll allow access. Once you approve, you'll be taken back to Zapier, and Basecamp should now appear as a connected app in your App Connections list. Next, we'll add ClickUp in almost exactly the same way. From within Zapier, return to the App Connections area if you're not already there. Click Add Connection again, search for ClickUp, select it from the results, and follow the prompts to sign in and authorize Zapier to access your ClickUp workspace. Once you've confirmed access, ClickUp will be added to your connections. At this point, both Basecamp and ClickUp are connected to Zapier, and you're ready to start creating automated workflows between them.